Today is September 23rd, 2025, and we are here in the morning and checking the brick wall, the vertical brick wall. We mudded yesterday. Looks like pretty good. The mudding stay without a problem. It's, despite the small rain, started after we finished the wall, and the rain started. And after one night and this morning, the water is like this, so not too bad. That means slowly there's water coming from the bottom, and then slowly there's rainwater captured in the fish tank. So didn't create any problem for the vertical wall, the concrete. Basically everything looks fine, so we're happy. We'll see how it goes. Okay, we finished connecting the pump to the feeding tube for the sand bed. As you can see, right now we're just simply removing water from the fish tank, so we can do a little bit more work on the bottom. As you can see, the water is pretty massive. Probably hard to see from this angle. It's moved to a different angle. You can see, it's pretty powerful. The pump serves the purpose. Now we are cutting the elbow, the edge of the elbow, to lower it so that it's flush with the bottom of the fish tank, so the water can easily flow into the pit, into the hole. We're doing the last coating of concrete for the fish tank bottom, and last time it was a rough one. Now it's a final finish, and as you can see, it's pretty smooth. Everything is pretty smooth. The bottom, following the curvature needed for the fish poop to slide and on the slope, and then gather at the center. Basically the three holes formed by one T and two elbows. Okay, looking pretty good. Tomorrow there's no rain, and the day after tomorrow there's no rain, so we got Tuesday clearing and clear sky, so that should help the concrete surface cure, and then we can just add water and start from there.